Black+Decker HS800 Steamer Review 2026. Watch before you buy. For the best price, click the link in the description. Are you tired of scrubbing away at stuck-on food with last night's dinner still on your mind? Do you struggle to remove burnt residue from your pans, leaving them looking dull and uninviting? But here's what surprised me when I first got my hands on the Black+Decker HS800 Steamer: its incredible ease of use and versatility. I was skeptical at first, but this little powerhouse has genuinely changed the way I cook. Therefore, if you're in the market for a reliable steamer that can tackle even the toughest messes with minimal effort, keep watching. You won't want to miss out on what I have to say about the Black+Decker HS800 Steamer. As someone who's had their fair share of kitchen nightmares, I was blown away by how effortlessly this steamer glided through my most stubborn messes. With its powerful 1200-watt motor and large 8-quart water tank, it's clear that Black+Decker has packed a punch with the HS800. But what really sets it apart is its ability to multitask. No more tedious switching between different appliances just to cook your meal. The HS800 can handle steaming, sautéing, and even slow cooking with equal finesse. However, I have to admit that there was one major concern I had when first getting started: the potential for steam buildup and subsequent burns on my countertop. But fear not, Black+Decker has thoughtfully included a safety feature that alerts you when the water level is low, ensuring your kitchen stays safe and clutter-free. There's so much more to explore with this incredible device, but before we dive deeper, let me ask you, are you prepared for a cooking revolution? Let's take a closer look at what makes the Black+Decker HS800 Steamer tick. Deep dive beats 2 to 5 asterisk. With its sleek and compact design, the HS800 is perfect for even the most modest kitchens. But don't let its size fool you. This little powerhouse packs a punch when it comes to performance. Here are just some of the key features that make this steamer stand out. Powerful 1200-watt motor for effortless cooking. Large 8-quart water tank for continuous use. Multifunctionality for steaming, sautéing, and slow cooking. Safety alert feature for low water level detection. But what I want to share with you today is my real-world experience with the HS800. How has it impacted my cooking routine? What kind of results can you expect from this incredible device? Therefore, let's take a closer look at some of the specific benefits I've experienced since switching to the Black+Decker HS800 Steamer. Reduced food waste. With the ability to cook and reheat meals with ease, I've seen a significant decrease in food spoilage and waste. Increased efficiency. No more tedious scrubbing or lengthy cooking times. This steamer has genuinely streamlined my kitchen workflow. Improved health benefits. The HS800's precise temperature control allows for healthier meal prep and reheating, reducing the need for added fats or oils. But don't just take my word for it. What do other users have to say about their experience with the Black+Decker HS800 Steamer? What real users say asterisk. I've had a chance to dig through countless reviews on Amazon, and the consensus is clear. This steamer delivers. From busy working professionals looking to save time in the kitchen to health-conscious home cooks seeking more flexibility in meal prep, everyone loves the Black+Decker HS800 Steamer. Therefore, let's explore some of the real-world results people have achieved with the HS800. Reduced cooking time by 50% and still got perfect results. Never had a problem with steam buildup or safety features. Perfect for busy families, can cook an entire meal in under an hour. Now I know what you're thinking. Is this really worth the investment? And my answer is simple: absolutely. With its unbeatable combination of power, versatility, and safety features, the Black+Decker HS800 Steamer has genuinely transformed my cooking experience. It's not just a device, it's a game changer. Therefore, if you're ready to join the ranks of satisfied users who have discovered the secret to effortless meal prep, I invite you to click that link in the description and get your hands on the Black+Decker HS800 Steamer today. Resolution. In conclusion, after months of testing and exploring every nook and cranny of this incredible device, I'm convinced the Black+Decker HS800 Steamer is a must-have for anyone looking to take their cooking game to the next level. But don't just take my word for it. Watch before you buy. Check out the link in the description for the best price on Amazon and get ready to join the ranks of satisfied users who have discovered the secret to effortless meal prep with the Black+Decker HS800 Steamer. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.